time for breakfast. I'm going to make an interesting sandwich this morning, consisting of pancake mix, eggs, white Italian bread, and some cheese, and some honey ham. So, let me go ahead and get this dough, this batter started. Order another one because I think we're gonna need. We're gonna go for the rest. Go ahead and do the rest of this up. Let's get into that box. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, gosh. That's only 1 cup. Thank goodness I bought another box. For this particular batter, you don't require eggs at all. So it's just the batter itself and water. Two cups will make. Of course, you know I'm playing this all by ear, so I don't know exactly how much dough I may need. So I'm going to go with 3 cups. Okay, this is 2 cups. A little bit more. So 2 cups would be, no. 3 cups is going to be, okay. And 3 cups might just be enough that I need. Yeah, that's close enough. Now I need to get 2 cups of water. So let me go get the water. Now, there's another ingredient I was just thinking about when I was walking over there. I pre-cooked some bacon last night. And you know, everything goes good for bacon. Ooh. So we're just gonna mix this up. You don't have to use this brand. You can use any kind of brand of pancake mix. At one point I was thinking about using blueberry, but since I'm not really sure how this is gonna turn out, because you know me and making stuff, I've been pondering about this for the last several days on how this is going to work out. It mixes pretty well. It's gonna be tasty. Now, I've been pondering, do I want to air fry this or do I want to put it in the oven? I haven't quite decided which route I want to go with that yet. Due to the fact that air fryers sometimes cook things too fast, so I'm gonna do a lot of extra prep work to have the sandwich ready. So, now that the batter's done, I'm going to go ahead and get the part 2 or part 3 done. So I'm going to go on over to the kitchen. We're going to go ahead and get working on this stuff. Be right back with you. Okay, first thing first, let's get the eggs cooking. So we're going to get the eggs. We're going to use the handy dandy pan. And we're going to try a couple of eggs. I never did like those little white things in the eggs. Let's get them out. All right, so I'm going to get bread prepared using my handy dandy vegan butter. So what we're going to do is going to take one side of the bread, you don't have to use vegan butter, you can use regular butter if you like, doesn't really matter. And we're going to go ahead and let this all get nice and good. So it's going to take a few minutes for this to cook up, and I'll be right back. Yeah, this is almost done. These eggs are almost done. I've been never good at flipping these eggs like when they like this, but it doesn't really matter because this is just going to be a filling. So if it breaks up, no worries. I just want to make sure that it's mostly cooked. Trying to heat up a little bit on this. This is not quite done. Remember I told you? I pre-did some bacon. Put a couple slices of bacon. Oh, and I need the ham. Where, oh where is my little ham gone? Oh yeah, oh yeah. Still not quite brown yet. I think I just started another step I'm going to add to this. Actually, now I'm going to take half this egg and add it over here. You need a piece of ham. Piece of cheese. Oh yeah, that's getting nice. Just gonna cook it on here until you darken up that bread a little bit more. And then we're about to go to the next part. Ooh, you know what I forgot? The bacon. There we go. Whew. Alrighty. All right. So this is about, how do I want to do this? All right, so that's almost ready enough. So we're going to go back over and finish this up. Oh, okay. Now, you guys ready? I was going to just dip it in the batter, but I don't want to cross-contaminate because I think I want to use this batter for something else. Also. Now, there we go. I decided I'm going to bake this due to the fact I don't want my air fryer to burn it. So I'm already preheating the oven. Let me go ahead and get this cooking and we'll be back for a taste test. I'm back. Take a look at what we have here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So, first, I'm just going to try it with nothing. Oh, look at the the steam that's coming off that. Look at that. Look at that. It's not, look at that. Look at that right there. Oh. Oh, I think so, Phil. Ow. That is actually. That is actually really, really good. Actually, I can just take it by. That is freaking delicious. Wow. And look at the cheese just oozing out of it. Now, I'm going to try it with a little syrup, just out of pure curiosity. If it's going to taste any better with the toast. Oops. Okay. Let's see what it's going to taste like. With some syrup on it. Oh God. The syrup on that pancake mix, wrapped around that sandwich. Wow. This actually came out much better than I could ever have imagined. That's absolutely delicious. Wow. For some of y'all, I'm using strawberry jelly to see what it tastes like with some strawberry jelly. And the cheese in this thing is just absolutely liquefied. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my God. That tastes so much better, as good as the syrup. Not really sure what I'm going to call this. I'm thinking about calling it ham, egg, and cheese wrapped around a pancake. But let me tell you, this is absolutely delicious. Now, I didn't fry it in the air fryer. I put it in the regular oven. 15, 20 minutes. As soon as it starts turning golden brown, take it out, it's ready. But it's absolutely, look at that. Look how delicious and mouth-watering that is. Imagine your spouse coming down, or you bring it to them in bed. Look at the steam. You can even see the steam still coming off. This thing, this is not to be played with. This is not kids' food. This is grown folks. Okay, until next time, family. Take care of yourself and try this sandwich, man. I'm telling you, it's no joke. It is off the chain. Until next time, take care.